Kani Gadega Pati CTV.
Kashulai Progressive Secondary School kala penha perdano ek invitation inter school Jubilee Cup haka nyo trek mentau benai hamadan he mini stadium ka baha maulai putmuri kajing pelong he kani ka program kalong sibenta ban raki ya kajing tap arpsan snem haka ba kala pelong ta kajing elek ka basketball na ka benta ki khna school kintai pat ka football na ka benta ki khna school shinrang haka ni ka lumpong lawan ni simbenta di school na maulai ka pakentop ya ka maulai Presbyterian High Secondary School Meghalaya Police Public School Putmuri Presbyterian Secondary School, Moro Presbyterian Secondary School, Maulai Christian Secondary School, Kumjo Kashulai Progressive Secondary School. Haka basketball ra daga Maulai Presbyterian High Secondary School, hadian bakal job ya ka Maulai Christian da Arpo lakat Rio Basket. Kaba ka football ra daga Maulai Presbyterian High Secondary School, hadian bakal job da Shigolanot ya ka Putmuri Presbyterian Secondary School. Ya ka namla ado ka match pass ra daga Kashulai Progressive Secondary School. Hakal yang kisendang bat ka Meghalaya Police Public School hakal yang ki kentai yaki khusnama ketika singila sam de ba ban kershan ling dot nombri chief organizer ka khnam central body ringkat u district sports officer ka East Castles ba George Ilingdo lembat kwi ki nong sha khot ngoba penchong shet ru hakani ka singi penha perda da ka jingile drill naki habret jong Kashulai Progressive Secondary School.
Kani Gadega Pati CTV.